Hello, I'm Bernard Tarver, Assistant Producing Director of Liberation Theater Company, and today I am joined by the final playwright, not last but not least, certainly, but the final member of the Writing Residency Program to interview. This is Camille Darby.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you for sitting down and talking with me, Camille.
Absolutely.
Now, today we are in Art New York, which is a rehearsal space here in Manhattan, and today you listen to your play in a table read. I honestly, I missed the table read, but I heard a very spirited conversation about the play.
Yes.
Tell me how this day went for you, how this process of a table read went for you, and what you gained from it.
Wow. So first of all, I'm so grateful to have the opportunity to just develop this play and think about this idea of what I'm trying to explore in this play, which I'm sure we'll get into in a second. But I think today for me just really solidified the fact that writing for me is really collaborative, and it's what really feeds me when I'm able to sit in a room with other artists and talk about the idea I'm trying to bring to life. Writing is very lonely, and it can be debilitating, and you can feel really bad about yourself. And I've certainly had a year of just really beating up myself about not finishing or coming to the end or just even sitting down to write for a weekend. And today felt like the culmination of be done with that part of that experience, and here you are with something tangible to really talk through and work through with people who care about it. And that felt amazing today, so I'm excited.
Good. Your play is what we call a two-hander. It's
Yes.
two characters. Tell me a little bit about the play, but also about the challenges of writing a play with just two characters in it.
So a little bit about the play. It is really about these two characters who are on two different paths, and then they come together on this one very unique day where one character is deciding to make a huge life change, like very literally, and another is trying to sort of fit into a system. And how do these two characters come together on this one specific day to figure out what actually happens? And what I love about this is that there is no solution. It's a bunch of questions that are posed. It's a conversation that happens between these two people. And I think writing a two-hander is the first time for me in my writing career. And I wanted to give myself that challenge. And I think the most challenging thing was, how do I keep the audience interested in what these two characters have to say? How do I keep that action going? How do I increase the stakes just with two characters in one space, in one moment, and how do you do that? And I think today hearing it out loud helped me realize that it's possible and that I can absolutely just keep digging and digging and digging. So it was a great day.
Yeah. That just, again, from listening to the conversation afterward, you got a lot of feedback and a lot of good information that I hope you're able to use.
Yep, 4 pages of notes, y'all.
Now, you come to us with a BA from Sarah Lawrence, an MFA from NYU.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you choose to join the Writing Residency Program, and has it met your expectations?
It's exceeded my expectations. I think that I joined because I am welcomed. And that's simply it. I think I graduated a long time ago, and I've actually beat myself up about that. Like, how come you're not here? And how come you didn't get this fellowship, or you didn't get that, or you're not in that institution? But I think more importantly for me is the experience of community and really feeling like I'm not alone in this process, which I think LTC has done a great job in terms of just like offering. When I go to those monthly sit downs to read our pages, one of my favorite parts of that is the first hour we spend just talking and just unloading and talking about what we've seen, whether it's something on television, a film, a TV show, or what we've seen in the theater, and just really feeling like there's a safe space to just like have that community. And so that's been tremendous for me.
Great. All right. Thank you, Camille. We will be excited to follow your journey as you finish your play. We have some other features that we'll try to bring to you, and we will post all of this information on our Facebook group, so you folks at home can follow along. Until then, thank you for watching, and stay tuned.